Clean him up. Clean him up.
That is a thunderbolt.
Clean him up. Straight through. Saranga Lakmal, first ball in this spell. Jermaine Blackwood doesn't have an answer. Another wicket for Sri Lanka. I just wonder if there was a little bit of an inside edge. He looked at the cue end of his bat as if to indicate there was.
That's the end of Craig Brathwaite. Nice and full from Dushmanta Chamira.
Bowled him. Cleaned him up. You miss, I hit. Jason Holder strikes. What a brilliant over. That's a unique celebration as well. Not as good as Kevin Sinclair.
He's knocked him over. Lakmal has two. And the Centurion from the first test goes for naught.
Clean him up. That's the response from Alzari Joseph. That's the reason he's been given the new ball, and he's responded to the call by his captain and his teammates, and exactly what the West Indies needed. The important wicket of Dhananjaya de Silva.
Hold him! Hold him! Kima Roach! And isn't he a happy man? What a way to get into the chair, Ian Bishop.
They'll have to wait for that first test match 100. There is no doubt that one day he will get there.
Cleaned him up. That swing again from the left arm seam. Fernando strikes early for Sri Lanka, and exactly what they would have wanted. The big man Cornwall has to go.
Well, Kima Roach, once again, gone through the gap of Thirimani. Clean him up.
Well, he knows where his off stump is now. It's been knocked back for the second time in the match.
And this time it cannons into the stumps. Despair for the skipper, but success for Sri Lanka.
He's bowled him. Jason Holder has been threatening all day, and the danger man for Sri Lanka, Lahiro Tirimana, is gone for 70.
200 first-class wickets to Jason Holder.
That man Kima Roach can't keep him off the action. Look at that beautiful delivery.
Cleaned him up, Jason Mohammed. His economy has been excellent, and now he strikes. Jason Mohammed is carrying this team with the ball. His 6th wicket in this series so far.
That's the end of that. A second wicket for Akeal Hussain. Bowled beautifully in Bangladesh, and he'll be enjoying this.
For sure. Celebration in style. Akeal Hussain had a very good tour of Bangladesh, and he's continued that good work here.
Clean him up again. Akeal Hussain. Another one goes through and shatters the stump. 3rd wicket for Hussain. Clean him up. Open him up. That's the advantage of bowling a fuller length. Because once it finishes on the stumps and the batsman doesn't respond, this is the result.
The googly does for Jason Mohammed. It's been a while in coming in this ODI series for Hasaranga. He's got his first of the ODIs. And talk about speed. That is a thunderbolt from Dushmanta Chamira. No fault of Lewis. Brace front leg, scattered stumps.
Clean him up. That man again, Shamira. End of a brilliant knock from the West Indian opening batsman. Acknowledged by his opponents for his brilliance.
This one chooses the wrong option though. Best serve to go down the ground. Another West Indian batter has to go. This time Ranawira picks up her first. So after a good positive start here.
Chopped on. So an early wicket for the West Indies. Slightly soft dismissal, you would say. And the captain has to go. Dimut Karunaratne. Chopped on. Second wicket now to Alzari Joseph. His consistency in lengths and lines paying dividends.
Certainly look a different bowler today than he did in the first ODI. Really on target.
Clean him up. Jason Mohammed again makes the breakthrough. And the main wicket, the prize wicket of Gunathilika on 96. They know how important that wicket is for the West Indies. Clean him up. Gets this one through. So the patience has worked for the Sri Lankans. Chris Gale has to go.
Nice flighted delivery, missed it completely.
Bowled him. What a beauty. Nicholas Pooran had no clue about this one.
Looked like he played on the wrong line, Nicholas Pooran. Yes, he did. Probably playing for the angle to come into him, bowling around the wicket.
Nice run-on from Sandakan. Powell bemused. He has not played wrist spin well across his career.
Clean him up with the angle from round the wicket. Wasn't trying to turn the ball, Akila Dhananjaya. And he's prompted the first wicket for the Sri Lankans. An elation for the young man once again. Clean him up. He was expecting a little more bounce. Nicholas Pooran played across the line. And Chimera strikes.
Well, that's an ugly dismissal.
Another one for Sandakan.
And that's 6 wickets now for the Sri Lankan spinners. Very economical as well. Slider, wicket to wicket. You miss, I hit.
She's gone through the defences, and that will wrap things up here in terms of the Sri Lankan women's innings. Atapatu has the last laugh. Boundary and then wicket, the first one down.